design a standard rate trickling filter, or it is also known as low rate trickling filter. In some numerical, the question was asked like design a low rate trickling filter for treating 4 mld of sewage. Quantity of wastewater is given. Then having a 5-day BOD of 160 milligram per liter. Influent BOD is 160 milligram per liter. Also find the efficiency of filter. Assume suitable design values. Okay, so let's start. First we will write the given. Only the two quantities are given. First is Q. Flow rate is given as 4 mld. Okay, so 1 mld means million liter per day. 1 million is equal to 10 raised to 6 liter per day. Then 4 into 10 raised to 6, and 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per day. So 4 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day. Okay, this is the, because we need the value of flow rate in terms of meter cube per day, that's why I have converted it into meter cube per day. So next, influent BOD S0 is given 160 milligram per liter. 160 milligram per liter means 1 milligram is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 kg, and 1 liter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. That's why overall kg in terms of kg per meter cube is 10 raised to minus 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, so 0.160 kg per meter cube. So let's start with the actual design. First we have to assume the organic loading rate. Assume organic loading rate is equal to let's assume is it as 0.15 kg per meter cube per day. It's the typical range for the organic loading rate for standard rate trickling filter is in between 0.08 to 0.32 kg per meter cube per day. Okay, we have assumed that value in between 0.08 to 0.32. So the formula for organic loading rate LORG is equal to Q into S0 upon V. So from this equation or from this formula you will get the value of volume. In design we have to find the dimension of the trickling filter. For that dimension first we have to find the volume. So here we have to use the organic loading rate formula for the determination of volume. In this formula the LORG value is assumed, Q and S0 values are given, so volume can be computed. Q into S0 upon LORG. Q value is 4 into 10 raised to 3 meter cube per day into S0 value in terms of kg 0.160 kg per meter cube divided by LORG value we have assumed as 0.15 kg per meter cube per day. Okay, let's see the cancellation of the unit. Meter cube will get cancelled, kg will get cancelled, day per day will get cancelled, remaining will be meter cube, and that is in the denominator that it will come to the numerator meter cube. So the volume will be 4266.67 meter cube. Okay, so this is the value of volume. Now we have to assume the depth of the filter bed. So assume depth filter bed is equal to 2 meter. Let's assume it as 2 meter. So now we know that volume is equal to area into depth. Area is equal to volume upon depth. Value of volume is 4266.67 divided by 2 meter. So the area will be 2133.33 meter square. Okay. Now generally the type of the shape of the trickling filter is rectangular, square or cylindrical. Most preferably use the shape of the filter trickling filter is circular, so we will also assume the shape of the filter as circular. So let's find the diameter of the trickling filter. Area is equal to pi by 4 d square. Area value is 2133.33 meter square is equal to 4 into d square. Solving this, you will get the value of diameter as 52.13 meter. This is the value of diameter. Okay. Now we have assumed the value of organic loading rate and we have assumed the value of depth. So we need to take the check for those assumptions. So let's take check for hydraulic loading rate. Hydraulic loading rate HLR is equal to Q upon area. HLR value is equal to Q upon area formula है. Then Q value is 4000 meter cube per day divided by area. We have found it as 2133.33 meter square. We will get the value of HLR, hydraulic loading rate, as 1.88 meter cube per meter square per day. And the typical range for the hydraulic loading rate for standard rate or low rate trickling filter is 1 to 4 meter cube per meter square per day. Hence our design is okay, or the value we have assumed are correct. This is the check. Now in the numerical we have to also find the efficiency of the trickling filter. So next, efficiency of trickling filter. Okay. For that efficiency we have to use the NRC formula. NRC formula for efficiency is capital E is equal to 100 upon 1 plus 0.4432 into Q into S naught upon V into F. Okay. In some reference books you may also get the formula like 100 upon 1 plus 0.004432 into Q into S naught upon V into F. In that case the value of the loading rate in terms of kg per hectare meter per day. So or in this formula the value of organic loading rate or the loading rate is in kg per meter cube per day. Okay. here you know that the value of Q is the flow rate, S naught is the influent BOD, V is the volume of the trickling filter, and F value is depend upon the recirculation ratio. And the formula for F value is 1 plus R upon 1 plus 0.1 R whole square. Okay, but in case of low rate trickling filter or standard rate trickling filter, there is no recirculation. Okay, that means the wastewater is not recirculated in the low rate trickling filter. That's why the value of R is 0. Therefore, after putting this the value of R in this formula, you will get F value as 1. So our formula for efficiency will become E is equal to 100 upon 1 plus 0.4432 into Q into S naught upon V. So let's put the value of all these parameter. 1 plus 0.4432, Q value is 4000 meter cube per day, into S naught value is 0.160 kg per meter cube, divided by volume 4266.67. After calculating these, you will get the value of efficiency as 85.34%. Thank you.